What's up guys, hope you're having an awesome day today. Guys, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to go hiking on this awesome adventure. There's this beautiful waterfall, beautiful forest I want to go to, just somewhere I can relax. So I'll take you on this adventure today guys, and we'll get this happening, alright guys? So you're going to come with me on this adventure, so let's go right now, alright? Let's go. Alright, so I've got here, this is my bag. I've got like some of my food, so fork and spoon, some salmon, sultanas, that food here, my good old AirPods. This is stuff for my, actually, this is my GoPro, the good old GoPro here, this one here, a spare battery. This is stuff for the GoPro, so we've got all this other stuff in here just to help me record stuff, so yeah, that's all this stuff here. I'm taking this beast with me, here we go, the Jeep. So beautiful. Oh my god. Forest. So one reason I like going hiking here during the, oh little birdie. Yeah, one reason why I like hiking here during the week, not on weekends, is like it's so quiet, no one's around. On weekends it's like super crazy, it's like so busy. But there's this nice waterfall I want to go to, and it's just so beautiful. Oh my goodness, I can't wait for you to see this, so yeah, I will be there really soon, alright? Guys, I'm going to climb down. It's a huge drop and it's pretty dangerous, so I'm going to see you down there, right guys? It's too dangerous to hold the camera, so I'm going to just go down slowly and carefully. Alright, see you soon guys. Alright, so I've climbed down there all the way here, and now Okay, so what I was trying to do is I was just trying to look down to see where I can go, how I can walk down, because it's getting really dangerous and it's like literally a huge cliff. so it's getting dangerous, and I was looking around to see which way should I go, just to make sure it's the safest way possible. Alright guys, so I found the spots all the way down there. You can see behind. There we go. All the way down there. Alright, that's so beautiful. Hey guys, yeah, I went for this walk because I feel that living in the city, it's so chaotic. I feel that it's just so stressful as well. Sometimes you just need a break and just go for a hike in the forest, just to relax, you know, take a deep breath. Sometimes I regret coming to the city. It's just, I miss living in a town. I'm a country boy at heart, and I miss living in the country. I feel it was so, I kind of took it for granted. I was so happy in the country, you know, going to lakes, you know, having genuine friends. But when I came to the city, a lot of everyone's really sarcastic. People, I feel that people are really not genuine. People are not really that genuine, and a lot of fake people. And that's what I don't like about living in the city. I miss living in a town so much. It's just, sometimes I just want to live in the town again and no longer in the city. There's just so much stress living in the city, and I'm just over it, you know. I'm just over living in the city, and yeah. So sometimes I think about that, like just living in a town again, you know, breathing fresh air. Yeah, but that's what I think about sometimes. But it's just a lot of fake people, and people are so sarcastic all the time living in the city. It's so rare to find genuine people, and that's what I found really surprising about living in the city. Yeah, so that's what I miss about living in a town. But anyway, see how things go anyway. Goodbye. Oh god guys, this is so dangerous. I nearly fell. Right there. It's so slippery and there's all these bees there. Oh my god, this is so dangerous. You gotta be so careful. I'm gonna watch out with all the snakes as well. You gotta watch out, there's like snakes and stuff. You gotta be careful where you put your fingers. And there's a lot of bees. Because it's so hot, the bees are drinking the water. I nearly got stung and I nearly fell away. It's so dangerous. Look at this, look at this drop right here. Look at that. Imagine falling down there. That is a big drop. Yeah, so I'm climbing up here and I'm nearly done. This is so dangerous, you've got to be so careful. I'll show you how far I've got. So I've got all up here. So I'm right on the ledge. I'm just right on the ledge here. But then I'm going to climb all the way up here. And I've got a lot more to go. So yeah, wish me luck that I don't fall. Alright, cool. I'll see you guys soon, alright? What's up guys? Alright, so I just got back and I'm so hungry. So I actually marinated 2 nights ago, chicken with Filipino marinade. I'll give you the recipe as well guys, so yeah, but I'm gonna cook that right now because I'm just really hungry after that long hike. So yeah, I'll show you right now, alright? There's it here we go. So there's a Filipino marinade with chicken. You can do it with steak or beef or pork as well if you want, so that's fine. But yeah, oh my god. There you go. What up guys? Alright guys, so I'm all done, the food's ready. I'm going to start eating because I am starving. Alright guys, I hope you liked the video. Until next time, you have a great day guys, and take care. Alright, see you guys, bye.